Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You sign in first to the Google account where you want to remove the recovery email. Once signed in, go straight to Security Settings and locate Recovery Email. This is where Google stores that contact for account recovery. You need your password and any two-step verification device ready because Google will recheck identity before letting you change recovery information. Make sure the device or secondary email can receive a code. That prevents lockout and speeds up the removal. Once you're on the recovery email section, click Edit to begin. You will be prompted to re-authenticate. Enter your password or a verification code sent to your phone or alternate email. This proves it's you changing a security contact. After authentication, either remove the address or replace it with a different one. Deleting without replacing may reduce account recovery options, so consider adding another trusted contact before removing. Make sure to save or confirm to apply the change. After saving, Google usually sends a confirmation email to the account and any previous recovery contact. Check both. You should also test that any new recovery email can receive verification links, send a test recovery, or run the security checkup to validate settings. If the change doesn't stick, clear your browser cache, try an incognito window, or use a different device. Sometimes session cookies or extensions block updates. If problems persist, wait a short while and retry authentication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.